It's broken. Oh my gosh. I'm so upset. What the frig? What the hell is going on? Why is it that whenever I'm excited about something, something always goes wrong with it? What's up, guys? I look like someone's grandmother. What's up, guys? It's your girl, Slay Paris here. I know I've been gone for a while, but y'all know why. I'm getting this wedding shit together. So anyways, you can see the title of this video. You know what it's about to be about. And I just want to say, before I even try this product or anything like that, I had no clue whatsoever who Patrick Ta was, which is absolutely insane because apparently he's like one of the biggest makeup artists in the entire world. So I'm just lost in the sauce, boss. Okay, so I'm sorry that I didn't know who he was, but I'm starting to love this dude. Like, for real, I was on his Instagram, I was on his beauty page. I was like, damn, why am I just discovering dude? Like, I'm really upset about it. But anyways, a few days ago, I was on Trend Mood on Instagram, which is like an Instagram page that tells you about like new makeup products, new makeup brands, new products from the biggest makeup companies. You just keep up to date with makeup through Trend Mood. So I was on Trend Mood and I saw that people are going crazy over this Patrick Ta guy releasing a makeup brand. So I did a little bit of research. I saw the amount of people that he worked with and how big he actually is. And then, okay, I saw somebody do a swatch of his new glow oil. And I was like, I don't care who this is. I need this in my possession. I need one of these, okay? So your girl set an alarm, okay, for the release date, woke up mad early, put everything I wanted in the cart just to find out that they only ship to the USA on the Patrick Ta beauty website, okay? I was pissed. But at the same time, I was like, I need this product, I need this product, I need this product. So I bought everything I needed and shipped it to my grandma's house in New York. So I'm gonna be flying over to New York to pick up that package as well as do some other things. Obviously, I'm not just flying there to get my package, but one of the main reasons is to get the damn package. So I just gotta figure out something else I can do over there while I'm there. So I shipped it over to my grandma's house and I got like the fan. He has a setting spray fan, which I honestly didn't need because that's literally why I bought my Fenty by Puma fan like a year ago to set my makeup, and I use it to set my makeup and stuff, but for some reason I can't find it. So one of you bitches that came to my house probably stole it, and by you bitches I mean my good friends who would never steal from me. So I didn't really actually need it, but I got it because it looks amazing. It's like rose gold, beautiful. So I got that. I got 2 body oils as well as the body, I don't know what it's called, like a misting one as well. And the only thing I didn't get was the lip products, but I got everything else. Because I'm not a big fan of like sparkly lip glosses. I just look mad childish with them, so I didn't pick that up. So after I ordered this, alright? And I'm like, okay, I can't wait for it to get shipped to my grandma's house so I could go to New York and pick it up. Yes, I'm so excited. Homeboy wanna hop on Instagram talking about, surprise, it's available at Sephora now. Nigga, what? That's not no damn surprise. You had me up early to figure out that I wasn't able to buy it because I was in Canada, just to tell me the day after I bought it that I can buy it at any Sephora online. I didn't appreciate that. No, I didn't. But regardless, you already know me. I got the 2 products that I really wanted to try, which is Patrick Ta's Major Glow Body Oil. Okay, this is the product that I saw and I was like, wow, I need it. And it's not just I need it, but I feel like this is gonna be definitely going to be my wedding glow. If you guys didn't know, my wedding is coming up very soon, and I feel like this is the perfect product to make my body glow and glisten in the lights. Okay, so I had to pick it up even though I already ordered these to my grandma's house. I just needed to try them out like right now, which means I'm gonna have 2 extras, which means giveaway time when I go and pick up the package. And all of my beauty giveaways are posted on my beauty page on Instagram, which is the Slay Paris. So all the contest details when I get the package will be posted on there. So go ahead and follow me over on the Slay Paris on Instagram so that you could be notified when I'm giving away these 2 beauties in my other package that I already ordered, okay? So anyways, I got the Major Glow Body Oil in a Dream, which is like a white gold, and a Moment, which is like a bronzy gold. Pretty sure this is catered to lighter skin and this is catered to darker skin, but I decided to get both. So off the bat, package nice, simple, elegant. I love the rose gold. And then the bag has this like cute little pattern. I'm living for this packaging. I love simple, elegant packaging. It makes me want to keep the packaging with nothing inside of it. That's just me. Directions: spray all over for skin that's moisturized and illuminated with a warm glow. That's all you gotta do. Okay, you ain't even gotta shake the bitch. It's just boom. I'm ready. I don't think you guys understand how excited I am about this. I'm super excited about this. Wait, first let me tell you the price, because I don't even remember how much it was. Let me just check really quick. So for one bottle of this, which is how many milliliters? 100 milliliters, is 65 Canadian dollars on Sephora.ca. All right, so let's pull this baby out. Okay, sparkles. Okay. Y'all, look at this. Look at the packaging. Look, this is just luxurious. Like, I feel like I'm a rich ass bitch just holding this in my hand. Like, packaging is everything to me. I freaking love this so much. Okay, and let's open up a moment. You see the smile on my face? That's how excited I am. Like, I'm really excited. Wow. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Let me put them together so you guys can really take in the beauty of these products right here. Look at the little shimmers inside of there. Like, wow. All right, so I'm gonna do a little swatch on my arm, like 3 sprays for each, and just see how it goes down with that. Okay. Bitch, is mine broken? I think my nozzle's broken. I just opened this. It can't be broke. It's broken. My nozzle's broken. My nozzle's broken. Look, guys. It's broken. I'm pressing down. It's broken. What the frig? It's broken! Oh my gosh. I'm so upset. I'm really upset right now. Hold on. Let me try and fix this bitch, because I was waiting all day for you to come in the mail just for you to be broke, sir or ma'am. Look. It's not working. Listen. What in the hell? It's broken. The nozzle's broken. Cool. Let's try a moment. Hopefully you're not, this one's not broken. See? You see the difference? Look at this one and look at this one. Why? Why would you do me like that? I'm very disappointed in that. Anyways, what the frig? What the hell is going on? There's like, it's like someone already used this. What the heck is that, bro? You see that dirt right there? That's not from my hand. My hand is clean as hell. Like, I just washed my hands. So what the hell is that? That's disgusting. Like one of them bitches in Sephora opened it up and decided to spray it. Like, y'all have no manners. Why am I like, why? Why is it that whenever I'm excited about something, something always goes wrong with it? Let me just wipe this off because I don't know whose dirty ass hands that was. That's disgusting. Like, literally gross. It's all over. Like, I can see someone's fingerprint on it. Oh my gosh. What the hell? Oh my gosh. Anyways. Spray 2 here. Okay. So that's what it looks like on my skin. Let's rub it in. Wow. Okay, living and alive. I'm definitely living and alive. It's not too sparkly. It's like the perfect amount of sparkle. I would suggest probably using a brush to spread this on your body, but it's just the right amount of sparkle, not too much. If you guys can see the difference between this hand and this one. Oh, on a summer day, bitch, where the sun is just glowing on you, hoe. It's over for all you bitches. All you bitches is dead. It's dead. But definitely use a brush to apply this because your hands will get greasy. I need to try and... I was gonna try and fix it, but this hole really is broken. Like, for real broken. That's so disappointing. That's so disappointing. Come on, bro. Patrick Ta, I'm gonna need my coin back. I'm gonna need my money back, boo. Oh, I fixed it. Back. There you go. I have to twirl it around a bit. All right, let's do it on this hand. What? Nope, it's still broken. Oh, yeah, it's broken. This is legit broken. It's broken. But I think this is my color regardless. So honestly, I freaking love it. And I have to say, so sorry to break it to you, I gotta say, I like this 1,000 times more than I like the Fenty Body Lava, because the Fenty Body Lava mad sticky. Fenty Body Lava is mad sticky. And when I first bought it, I was like in love with it because I never had a body glow before, so I didn't understand that it's not supposed to be that sticky. Until I got other body glows like the Coca Cabana body glow, and I realized it should be more of an oil than like a sticky substance. So if you are thinking of buying Fenty Body Lava, I would suggest getting this instead, honest to God. And obviously I ain't sponsored, because I ain't big like that to be sponsored by Patrick Ta. You crazy. But Patrick, you gonna have to fix this for me, boo. You gonna have to fix this one for me, because I was trying to see the difference and compare it and shit, but apparently we can't today. But when I do return this and get a new one, I'll definitely put it on my Instagram story, either on my main channel, my main page, or my beauty page. So check the description box to see my Instagram pages so you can be up to date with that and see how it looks on my skin tone and all of that. I can just, summertime, this is all I'm gonna be wearing, honestly. Cause look at the difference. Ashy, glowing. We here for it. I love this. I love the way it feels. It like absorbs straight into your skin, and now my skin looks and feels very moisturized. Not too much glitter, but just enough to give you that reflection of a glow. I'm living for it. I love it. Simple, straight like that. When I get the rest of the stuff from America, from my grandma's house, I will definitely do another video for you guys. But for now, I'm honestly giving this a 10. I don't think I give anything a 10. I'm giving this a 10. It smells amazing. It smells luxurious. It smells like coconut. It smells like tropical, like a tropical island or something, like you in the Cayman Islands or something, or Punta Cana, like you just laying down in the beach at Turks and Caicos. Like, that's what it smells like. It smells delicious, for real. Ooh, I can imagine pairing this. Ooh, watch this, y'all, with my Tom Ford perfume. Oh, I just gotta do it right now just because. Oh! Ooh, I wasn't ready for that. Oh, that's the best layering of 2 scents I think I've ever smelled in my life. Wow, summertime. If you ever wonder what Paris smells like, summertime, it's what I'm gonna be smelling like, okay? Okay, wow. Anyways, guys, make sure you follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, all that jazz in the description box down below for your convenience. Like I said again, 10 out of 10 for this color. I don't know about this one because it's broken, but regardless, I freaking love this. I love the way it smells. I love the way it looks, and it's better than the Body Lava. I'm so sorry to break it to you. I love me some Rihanna, and y'all know that, but I gotta keep it real here on this channel because I gotta give you guys your money's worth. I choose this over all the body glows that I got, and I got a lot. So far, this is at the top of the line, for real. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles!